In this video, I will show you how to pin a repository on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your GitHub account. Now, this is what your dashboard should look like. Now, the next thing I want you to do is go to the far right where there's an icon that displays your display image. You're going to click on that and we're going to go to profile. Now, under the profile on the right side, you're going to see customize your pins. Once you see customize your pins, you're going to go through the repositories that you want to pin onto your profile. You're going to click on the repository and you're going to click on save pin. And just like that, you see it says pinned. Just like that, your repository is pinned on your profile. Anybody that visits your profile can now see your repository. Now that's how you pin a repository on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.